Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make your dragon fruits flower. So you can see I have my dragon fruit. This one's red, and then right at the tip here, see that? Just chop them off a bit. This stops them from growing and tells them to go ahead and fruit. Again, here's some more. Chop them off. Over here I have my yellow dragon fruit. See them growing from down there, coming up. And you see it's coming up here. I take the edge and chop them off. Some of them I chopped already on this one. Grab some of this edge. The tips. This stops them from growing, guys, and tells them to go ahead and fruit. Just right about there like that, guys. But I just want to show you that. Now, a couple weeks ago on this dragon fruit right here, I went ahead and I chopped the tip. Just want to let you guys see. Check it out, guys. I chopped the tip right here, and look, I got three buds out. These are my red dragon fruit, just to let you guys know it works. I chopped that tip, nothing happened there. I chopped this one, and here it goes, guys. More dragon fruit flowers. So that's a tip for you guys. You guys like that content? Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back with you. But check it out, guys. Tips for growing dragon fruit at your house. So you look back on my video, I made this little dragon fruit stand. You need to use the biggest pot you can, guys, and even for me I put bricks in it because when the wind blows it'll try to fall over. And then here's another big one, guys. So I'm just going to take it right here and chop this one off. And stay tuned to my channel, guys, so you can see when I harvest these dragon fruits. Alright guys, you like that content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys have ever grown yellow dragon fruit or red dragon fruit. I'm looking forward to having some dragon fruit, guys. On that note, let me leave you right here with another view of my dragon fruit plant, my red one. Alright guys, hit the like button and subscribe.